All right, a crackdown on SP MLA Abu Azmi for his pro-Aurangzeb remarks. He's been suspended from assembly till the end of the session in Maharashtra. Remember that Abu Azmi went ahead and heaped praise on Aurangzeb, saying that he wasn't that cruel and that he built many temples amid the debate over the film Chhaava. Now, because of these comments, he's been suspended from the Maharashtra Assembly. This comes after the Mahayuti had put repeated requests for action against Abu Azmi in the Assembly too. And it was, in fact, a minister, Maharashtra Minister Chandrakant Patil, who moved this proposal to suspend Abu Azmi from the Assembly. And that request has now been accepted. The Mahayuti MLAs have been pushing for action against Abu Azmi for his comments, saying that he's insulted the Maratha warriors like Sambhaji Maharaj and Shivaji Maharaj, and that's why they said that there should be action taken against him. Remember that Abu Azmi yesterday, amid this massive controversy, apologized. But, of course, with riders saying, if I've hurt anyone's sentiments, I apologize for my comment. Ritvik Palekar is joining us with more details on this. Ritvik, finally, based on the Mahayuti's push for action against Abu Azmi, he's been suspended from the assembly.
Yes, absolutely. The remarks made by Samajwadi Party leader and MLA Abu Azmi ignited a spark and controversy in Maharashtra's ongoing budget session, after which both ruling alliance and opposition alliance were protesting for last 2 days, demanding his suspension. Today, Parliamentary Affairs Minister of Maharashtra Legislative Assembly, Chandrakant Patil, moved a proposal to suspend Abu Azmi from Assembly till the end of this budget session. BJP MLA Sudhir Mungantiwar also demanded that he should be suspended as an MLA and not only for one session.
Ritvik, just stay with me. We're getting in reactions right now.
संजय राउत ये कह रहे हैं भाजपा की बी टीम है रोहित पवार ये बात कर रहे हैं संजय राउत और रोहित पवार कि अबू आजमी भाजपा की बी टीम है।
वो रोहित पवार के जो पार्टी युवा अध्यक्ष है, राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष, वो कौन है, उसका पहला नाम उसने जाहिर करना चाहिए। जिसको अभी उसका राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस का शरद पवार गुट का जो राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष बना है वो कौन है, फिर उसका क्या बैकग्राउंड है, इसको बोलने का इसका अधिकार है क्या रोहित पवार का? एक जिहादी को उसने जो अपने यूथ कांग्रेस का प्रेसिडेंट बना है राष्ट्रीय, उसके बाद रोहित पवार निलंबन हा विषय फार कमी आहे। सगळ्या जणांनी एकमुखी मागणी केलेली आहे की ज्यांनी छत्रपती संभाजी महाराजांचा अपमान केलेला आहे त्या अबू आझमीला ह्याच्यापेक्षा जास्त शिक्षा मिळालीच पाहिजे, कारण का हे फार म्हणजे सगळ्या महाराष्ट्राच्या आमच्या देवतांचा अपमान केलेला आहे आणि म्हणून जास्तीत जास्त शिक्षा मिळावी अशी पद्धतीची मागणी सगळ्यांनी केलेली आहे। आदरणीय चंद्रकांत दादाजी एक अधिकृत स्टेटमेंट दिलं, त्यांनी सांगितले की आम्ही समिती आमची तयार करू आणि जास्तीत जास्त शिक्षा ज्यादा से ज्यादा उनका आमदार की रद्द होना, उनको आमदार का पगार नहीं मिलना, जो कुछ फैसिलिटी आमदार को, ऐसे लोक प्रतिनिधि हम लोग को महाराष्ट्र में जरूरत नहीं है। उनको भेज दो पाकिस्तान में औरंगजेब की चाटने के लिए, हम लोग को जरूरत नहीं है।
Okay, reactions coming in right now from the Maharashtra Assembly also, where you've got the likes of Nitesh Rane hailing the step of suspending Abu Azmi, saying it was much needed. The Mahayuti has been pushing for this from day one, since the time that Abu Azmi made that comment, hailing Aurangzeb, saying that Aurangzeb wasn't as cruel and even built many temples, which many Maharashtra leaders deemed as an insult to Sambhaji Maharaj and to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, which is what's prompted now this action. Abu Azmi has been suspended for the remainder of the assembly session in Maharashtra. This has essentially dominated proceedings in the Maharashtra Assembly for the last many days. And with that request being put forth by a Maharashtra minister, now you've got, in fact, Abu Azmi being suspended. Shaina NC of the Shiv Sena is joining us on this broadcast. Shaina, you finally got Abu Azmi being suspended. This is a call your party's been putting forth in the assembly as well. So your reaction?
I'm really glad that he has been suspended because this is the least that should have happened. Our leader, Eknath Ji Shinde, has been talking about this in the assembly, outside as well. And there are lots of reasons attributed to this suspension. Number one, not only did Abu Azmi, represent the facts wrongly, the reality is that when you had a leader of a party that is only appeasing to vote bank politics, as the Samajwadi Party has done, it has been clearly apparent. Aurangzeb was probably one of the worst Mughal leaders that one ever saw, barbaric in nature, having broken, destroyed over 1,000 temples, whether it was the Trambakeshwar temple or the Kashi Vishwanath, or even in Bengal, Orissa, Jagannath Puri, etc. The list is endless. It was only in 1751 that the Marathas, when they recaptured Nasik, that they rebuilt the Trambakeshwar temple. And for this misrepresentation of facts, he has not only hurted the people of Maharashtra, but also every Hindu across the country. This suspension till the end of the assembly is a precedent for those who choose to play vote bank politics, those who try to incite rivalry in communities, and those who choose to misrepresent history and historical facts. So I think the time has come for Mr. Abu Azmi to sit with a pen and paper, reflect, read on historical, dialogues and historical narratives which have been in the public domain for him to know. And one suggestion to him, which I think he must definitely go into, is read Masir-e-Alamgiri, which was written by Syed Mushtaq Khan. Since he has time in hand, he will understand this is the official record of Aurangzeb's reign, the destruction of all the big temples and the torture and the killing of Sambhaji, which has hurt crores of people in Maharashtra. And all of this being depicted in even a film like Chhawa. He has ample time, so he should read Masir-e-Alamgiri and watch a movie like Chhawa and understand that even Islamic scholars like, as I said, Syed Mushtaq Khan, have written about the barbaric ways of Aurangzeb.
Okay, all right. Shaina NC, thank you very much for joining us with your view on this new update that's come in of SP MLA Abu Azmi now being suspended from the Maharashtra Assembly over his comments backing Aurangzeb. And in our next report, we'll break down for you the entire controversy of what SP MLA Abu Azmi said on Aurangzeb that triggered this entire political storm in Maharashtra.
तो आप औरंगजेब को क्रूर शासक नहीं मानते हैं?
नहीं, मैं नहीं मानता।
औरंगजेब क्रूर शासक नहीं है?
बिल्कुल नहीं, मैं बिल्कुल क्रूर शासक नहीं मानता।
An explosive showdown in Maharashtra over Mughal ruler Aurangzeb. After his depiction as a tyrant pitted against the Maratha Empire in Vicky Kaush's Chhawa, SP MLA Abu Azmi sparked a massive controversy after calling Aurangzeb a benevolent emperor who helped Hindu temples and is wrongly portrayed in the movie.
सब गलत हिस्ट्री दिखाई जा रही है। औरंगजेब रहमतुल्लाह अलैह ने बहुत सारी मंदिरें बनवाई हैं और आप बनारस में जाकर देखेंगे एक बच्ची, पंडित की बच्ची को जब उनका ही एक सिपाही सालार उसके साथ शादी करना चाहता था, उन्होंने उस सिपाही सालार को 2 हाथियों के बीच पैर बांध कर वो मार दिया और उन पंडितों ने उनके लिए एक मस्जिद बना के दिया वहाँ पर। क्या बात करते हैं, ये गलत हिस्ट्री।
तो आप औरंगजेब को क्रूर शासक नहीं मानते हैं?
नहीं, मैं नहीं मानता।
औरंगजेब क्रूर शासक नहीं है?
बिल्कुल नहीं, मैं बिल्कुल क्रूर शासक नहीं मानता।
Maratha groups and Maharashtra netas erupted in protest, questioning praise for the Mughal ruler who is seen by many as persecutor of Hindus and destroyer of temples. Multiple places in Maharashtra saw anti-Aurangzeb stir. A zero FIR was filed against Abu Azmi and his suspension from assembly loomed large.
अबू आझमी छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज आणि संभाजी महाराजांचा जाणीवपूर्वक अपमान करतो। हा खरं म्हणजे छत्रपती संभाजी महाराजांनी देशासाठी बलिदान केलं, म्हणजे हा अबू आझमी देशद्रोही आहे, देशद्रोही आहे। आणि बसण्याचा अधिकार, या सभागृहामध्ये बसण्याचा अधिकार या देशद्रोही अबू आझमी याला नाहीये.
अबू आझमींसारख्या लोकांच्या मुळे आज हे वातावरण खराब करण्याचे हे जे काही प्रयत्न करतायत, जिहाद्यांना हे प्रोत्साहन देत आहेत ना, म्हणून यांची ही वळवळ या आमच्या हिंदुत्ववादी सरकारच्या काळात आम्ही चालून देणार नाही.
Azmi was however supported by ally Congress, which termed Aurangzeb a emperor portrayed in bad light.
औरंगजेब पे इल्जाम है कि उसने मंदिर तोड़वाए. उसने मंदिर तोड़वाए भी, उसने मंदिरों को जायदाद, जमीन और पैसे भी दिए. क्या बीजेपी की सरकार गुजरात के अंदर मंदिर नहीं तोड़वाए? आपने 300 मंदिर तोड़वा दिए गुजरात के अंदर. आप तो मस्जिदें भी तोड़वा रहे हैं और मंदिर भी तोड़वा रहे हैं. इतिहास को इतिहास रहने दीजिए.
Amid Maha upheaval on his remarks, Abu Azmi blinked, saying that he retracts his statement as it has hurt feelings.
अगर इन चीज़ों से किसी को वो लगता है कि इसको तोड़ मरोड़ के पेश करके किसी को लगता है कि मैंने गलत बोला है, तो भाई मैं अपने पूरे स्टेटमेंट को वापस लेता हूँ. असेंबली चलना चाहिए, असेंबली में बहुत सारे काम है. इन इशू पर असेंबली रोकी जाए, मैं समझता हूँ ये महाराष्ट्र की जनता का बहुत सारा काम रुकेगा.
Will the climb down by the SP MLA douse the raging Aurangzeb fire in Maharashtra? Bureau Report, India Today.